So, this isn't a how-to video. I'm just sort of going through the motions with the videos. I've never taken one off before. This is a pre-Verto clutch, I believe. So my first job, according to the Haynes manual, is to remove, what do they call that? Number 4, the diaphragm spring. I've not actually seen a video on YouTube with pre-Verto flywheel being taken off, or non-Verto. So yeah, I need to obviously to be able to get to the bolt in there. I need to take that off. So now Randy has a special tool for this, which I need to get. But for now, I will just use a screwdriver, I think. Now I don't know what relevance this has, but obviously when Swiftune put this together, they've etched or scribed quarter to there, and there's a quarter marking there. Don't know what that means, but this means something. And there we go. I don't know what that means. I'll send a photo of that to Keith, but bit of oil residue on there. Yeah, I don't know. I'll ask Keith. Now, what I do know from Paul is that that should be at horizontal. The flywheel is retained on the crankshaft by means of a taper, and the puller is necessary to separate it. Right, so I do have a puller. Which is a mini spares one. Screw the main bolt into the pillar body and position the thrust button to the end of the crankshaft. Lubricate the end of the main bolt where it enters the thrust button. Thrust button, main bolt. Now oddly, something ain't right there. Bit tight, that one, don't know why. Do not use impact guns or similar with this tool. That is tight. I thought this was going to be easy. It's quite normal for it to be that tight, apparently. Turns out all I needed was a longer bar, so that's come off now. That was tight though, that was really tight. So there's definitely oil there. I don't actually know what I'm looking at, or what that's supposed to mean, but I'll actually send Keith a photo of that and see what if that's good or bad, or maybe Paul Jeffries actually. Now I know that that is the oil seal. Right, so there's definitely oil leaking from that. So I'm going to guess that I just have to pull that out. Now it doesn't matter if I damage it because I've obviously got new ones. Have I got the tool to fit the new seal? Paul says. Nope. I didn't know there was a tool for it. Hopefully Paul will give me an idea of how to fit the oil seal. You can try pushing it in as far as you can with your fingers, then use a socket to tap it in. Put a load of tape over the splines of the primary gear, otherwise you'll damage the seal. I don't want to damage that. I've already damaged it. Right, I am going to have to order the tool. That's a shame, that is. I didn't know I needed a tool. Paul has said I can push it in, but as I'm trying to push that over the lip, it's actually looks like it wants to fold the inner part of the seal over, and I don't want to damage it, so oh dear. See you next week. Right, I've got my tool for the oil seal. Paul Jeffries has showed me how to use it, so yeah, I'm going to get the oil seal in and hopefully remember how it all goes back together. I hate doing things the week after I've taken something apart because my brain don't compute. Now, I'm sure there must be a torque setting for this. Right, back again. Got my stuff together. I've asked a few questions, got all the information I need, and so now I'm actually going to get the clutch and flywheel back on. Seems to be dragging on this. The problem I've got is I well, I clearly don't know what I'm doing, so I'm learning, and I don't want to make mistakes. So I'm reading the Haynes manual, which I've been told is a bit of a dinosaur. The Haynes manual's telling me to do one thing, and I'm thinking, is that right? So I'm sort of questioning things, and then I'm having to go to other people, ask questions. You know, Paul Jeffries does lots of engine rebuilds, well, that's what he does, isn't it? And so they obviously know what they're doing in the modern times, if you like. So yeah, it's just I haven't got the confidence really to be doing this. It's all a learning curve for me. So yeah, let's get on with this, get it done, and then I can move on to the other bits and pieces. Don't seem very tight, does it? How's it nuts and bolts? 21 Newton. 21.5 Newton meters. That don't seem tight enough to me. Maybe I'll. It's definitely what it says on the. I'm just going to double check that. If in doubt, take the batteries out. Hmm. 24.5. Made that look easy, didn't I? Jeez. Right, so what am I doing now? I haven't done the starter motor or the dynamo yet, so I think I'm going to get the chest plate seals on the back, and then I'm going to put the engine on my little platform and get it off the hoist. And I might get the oil filter on as well, because I've got a few bits. New oil filter, gaskets. I actually bought some bungs, core plugs, but again, I'm not confident in taking them out and putting them back in, so I might watch a video on that, see if anyone does it. I mean, they have cleaned up alright. I'm sure Keith said that he put some lacquer on his, just to stop them from going rusty, so I'll speak to him about that.